Hi students, I am Prakash, Academic Advisor, Masterminds. Came to know that some of the IPCC or CA Inter students who have appeared for public exams in January 2021 have not joined for either crash batch or revision exams batch with a hope that they are going to qualify in the results of January 2021 attempt. My dear students, in CA course, it is not at all advisable to stay idle till the announcement of results. Please make a realistic assessment of your performance in the public exams which you have written in January 2021 and take a decision whether to join in revision exams or crash batch as the case may be. But don't sit idle. And by this time you might have realized that home preparation will not work. If your concepts are good, then come and join for revision exams. If your concepts are not good, then come and join for crash batch. But don't continue your preparation at home. This is one golden principle you need to remember, my dear students. My dear students, as far as revision batches are concerned, so we have earmarked around 30 videos which are going to be very useful to improve your productivity. All such 30 videos will be played to you to improve your productivity. For example, we will explain you how to prepare problematic papers, how to prepare theory papers, how to prepare MCQs, how to see that you are going to cover the syllabus of each and every revision exam perfectly, where to prepare, what is the addition of material in which you need to prepare. All these things we are going to enlighten you. So when you come and join for revision exams, we also make arrangements for your doubts clarification. And after completion of valuation of your exam papers, we will even counsel you what sort of mistakes that you have committed while writing your exams, and you can see that you don't commit the same mistakes again, my dear students. And we will even play some videos on how to prepare each of the subjects. Of course, they will be paid under the name guidance class on how to score exemption range of marks. We have this kind of videos for each of the subjects of CA Inter and IPCC. And we will also play some videos explaining you how to prepare day before your public exams. We will also play videos on certified copies of old students. By watching those videos, you can understand what sort of improvement that you need to make, what is the care that you need to take while writing your exam. So all these areas will be explained to you, will be enlightened to you. So when you come and join for revision exams, my dear students. Apart from that, so I will take up the responsibility of continuous mentorship. I will act as a mentor and I will guide you continuously on various aspects of how to study, when to study. So all these things I am going to enlighten you. My dear students, we have also decided that we have earlier developed rapid revision batches, rapid revision classes for each of the subjects of IPCC and CA Inter. As a part of these rapid revision classes, we have recorded videos where our faculty will be revising the entire subject in just 20 to 25 hours. All such videos will be played to all of you free of cost. We are not going to charge anything. So as a part of our revision exams curriculum, we will play all such videos free of cost. So we have decided to extend that benefit also to the students who are going to take admission for our revision exams and study hours batches. Of course, we cannot extend such benefit to the students who take admission only for revision batches, that is revision exams. we will extend that benefit to the students who take admission for study hours as well as our revision exams, my dear students. So, my dear students, I hope that all of you will avail all these benefits by taking admission into our study hours and revision exams batches, which are available in Guntur and all our branches together. All the best.